In our today lecture, we are going to draw and make one more interactive dashboard, and that is of Adani Group of companies. And in this video, we will see that how to create an interactive dashboard of Adani Group of industries, as we have their data set. So first of all, we will bring our data set into Power BI. So for that, we have to click on blank report. So this is our main page of Power BI. Then we have to click on import data from Excel. So after selecting import data from Excel, select the desired data set where you have saved your data. So here is my data set. So click on Adani Group of Industries. So as I have made already changes into my data set, so I am going with the option of load. And if you want to make some changes in the data set, then you have to click on transform data, then you can make some kind of changes into your data set. So first of all look at the data set. In the first column we have date wise data of Adani Group of companies of the stock, then day, month, quarter, year, and then it is the opening, what is the open volume, then what is the high, what is the low value on that particular day, previous close, then today's close, 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low, and the total volume and the number of trades. So as I have already made all the changes in my Excel data set, so now I am going with the option of load. So when as soon as I click on load, it will bring my all data set into Power BI. So it will take like 4 to 5 seconds in order to bring your all data set into Power BI. So now here you can see that my all data set is now present here in Power BI. So for this, first of all, we would like to add an image of Adani Group of companies, so that our dashboard look more attractive. So for this, we will go to insert, then go to images, and I have already downloaded an image for Adani Group of companies. So for this, we have to select the image here. So no, this is not the one which we are required. So then go again to images and here. So now here we have the image of Adani Group of companies and with its owner. And now we will first of all add some slicer of day, month, and quarter and year. So we are going to add some slicer. So now select slicer here and drag into the top and make some alteration to this. And as we are going to uh, make 4 slicers, one is for day, one is for month, one is for quarter, and one is for year. So I am going to copy and paste, then again copy and paste. So now we have 4 slicer here. So in this first slicer we are going to take the day. Then you can see that they are not visible here. So then go to format your visuals, then go to slicer setting, then select drop down option here. So now you can see that we can easily select any of particular day according to your own choice. Then for this slicer we are going to select the month here. Then again we go to slicers settings and we also selected it as drop down. So now we are good here. Then for this we can select the quarter here and then again go to format your visuals, then go to slicer settings and then select drop down. And for the last one, that is for year. So now select this and drag year here, and you can keep the setting it as, because we have only 2 years, so we can select 1 year easily here. But if you want to change the setting, then you go to format your visuals, go to slicer setting, and then go to tiles, and then you can also select it as drop down. Okay, so as we have selected all other settings as drop down, so we are going to uh, the same setting with the year as well of drop down. So we have created all of our slicers. Now we are going to make some cards, so that we can measure the values of different indicator like 52-week high, 52-week low, close, and it open, and what is the total volume. So for this, first of all, we go to the card option here, and then we are going to make 5 cards here. So now let's make some setting here. One, then copy and paste it, then again copy and paste, copy and paste, then again copy and paste. So we have made 5 cards. So for this card, we are taking the value of 52-week high, and then we can select the average of 52 weeks high, and then for this we can also, then we are going to take the 52 weeks low, and then we can take the average of this, and then we are going to take the what is the close value, what is the close the line for that particular day or particular year. Then we are going to take the value of open, what is the value of open on that particular day, and at last we are going to select what is the total volume. So now we are done with here of the cards. So now we will make some changes in these cards. So first of all, select this card, then go to format your visuals. Then you can change this, if you do not want to say the average of 52 weeks high here, then you can simply off it, and then go to general and on the title option, and here you can add the title by yourself. So we are going to name it as 52 week high average. uh, so we are done with the here, and we can bring it to circle as well. And if uh, you want some other effect as like background and transparency or visual border, if you want to see a visual border here, increase it to 7. And then if you want to have some shadows, you can also make that setting from here. So now we will do the same with this, and then go to format your visuals. Of the category label, go to general, and on the title option, go to title, and then name it as uh, 52 weeks low average, and then bring it to center. Okay, then moving forward, we can also make these changes to these card as well. So we can simply select all of these chart, then go to format your visuals, and then off it, and then go to journal and on the title option. So for this, we are going to select what is the we have to look at that what variable we have taken here, as it is close. So we are going to name it as close total, and then we bring it to center. Then for this, we again goes to open and total, and then bring it to center. And for this last one, that is for volume, and we can name it as volume total, and then we can also bring it to center. So again, as you can see that for this we have make some rounded corner shape, so we can also do for all of these as well. So select all of these card at once. This is little bit lower than the others. Then go to format your visuals, go to journal, then go to effects, and here you can see that we have the option for visual borders. So we have to on this option, and then we can increase this option to like say 10, 11 or 13. So it is I think suitable option for us. So now you can see that our all cards have visual borders, and they are in rounded shape. So we can simply do for this our slicers as well, so they are more likely visible. So go to format your visuals, then go to journal, and then go to effects, and on the visual border option, and increase, you see that, like to 15. And then you here you can also uh, have the option of shadow. You can see that now we have a shadows here if you want to add shadows, and if you do not want to see the shadows, simply off it. And then you can also change the border color as well. Okay, now you can see that here some yellow lines, but we are not interested in this. So our dashboard looks very much pretty in this shape as well. So let's bring it here and make it some little bit more wider, so the values are easy to read. Okay, fine. So now we are done with the card option. So now we are going to draw a stacked column chart. So for this, first of all, we have to select the values for y-axis. So for y-axis, we are going to take 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. And for x-axis, we are going to take the quarter. So, so now in this, we have to take the stacked column chart. So so it will give us more better results. You see that stacked column chart. So for the better visibility, we can see we have here option of date, and then we have option of here uh, quarter. So we can simply replace these values here. So for y-axis, we have to take 52 weeks low and 52 weeks high, and for x-axis we are going to take the quarter. So now you can see that it is more visible and more easy to understand that what is going on. So the next thing, simply we can format this chart as well. Then go to format your visuals, and then go to journal, and for title you can simply rename as 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. So now it's look more pretty. Then if you do not want to see the x-axis and y-axis, you can simply go to format your visuals, and for x-axis you can simply off the title, and now you can see that quarter option is gone from here. Then again go to y-axis, and for if you do not want to see the sum of 52 weeks high and sum of 52 weeks low here, then you can simply off this option. So now you can see that we are easy with this to understand all these things. And then if you want to add a border here, then go to journal, and then go to effects, and then go to visual border on it, and then make it like you see 11, as we have done with all of the option. So now you can see that it is more visible here. So the next thing, that if you do not want to see these lines, grid lines, so go to format your visuals, go to grid lines, and off these grid lines, so now you can see that grid lines are vanished from here. So the next thing is that we are going to make a line chart. So and one thing is more, if you want to add something here, you can add, you see that volume in legends, and if you want to add something more, you can add here according to your choice. So the next thing is that we are going to make line and stacked column chart. So line and stacked column chart, so we are going to select it from here, line and stacked column chart, we have selected it. And then for y-axis, we are going to take 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. And for uh, x-axis, we are going to take the months. And then for line y-axis, we are going to take the value of volume. So we are done with here. So then if you want to make some adjustment, like if you want to add a border here, then go to format your visuals, go to journal, and then go to title option. So first of all, we make the setting into title, then we will forward to the border options, 52 weeks low and 52 weeks high. Okay, sum of volume by month. 52 weeks low and 52 week highs, and sum of volume by month. Then go to journal and go to effects, go to visual border, and then from here you can on the border option and make it to 11, as we have done for the rest of chart as well. And then if you do not want to see the x-axis and y-axis labels, so then go to format your visuals, go to x-axis, and off the title option here, then go to y-axis and off the option of title from here as well. So now as you can see that x-axis and y-axis titles are gone. So we have here 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low with quarter wise. We have 52 weeks low and 52 weeks high with sum of volumes according to month wise. So the next thing is that we are going to make is line chart. So for this we have to select the line chart. So now here you can see that we have a line chart here, and then we have to select the number of values that we are going to present here. So for y-axis, we are going to select 52 weeks low, 52 weeks high, and then we are going to select the what is the closed volume, and then we are going to select what is the open volume. So select open and then select close. And for x-axis, we are going to take the date and day. So here you can see that all of our data set is now present here, and it is very much clear and it is easy to understand. Okay. So then we can make also some settings here. Go to format your visuals. If you do not want to see the titles here, so go to x-axis and off the title, and then go to y-axis and simply off the titles of x-axis as well, and then go to journal, go to effects, go to visual borders on it, and then make it to like 11. And then if you do not want to see the grid lines, so then go to visuals and go to grid lines, and off these grid lines both the vertical and horizontal. So now you can see that our dashboard is almost ready, and we are going to add one thing more here, and that is we are going to make a clustered bar chart. So we have to select the clustered bar chart option here, and then we are going to draw it, clustered bar chart. So here is clustered bar chart, and we make some changes here. So for cluster bar chart, for y-axis we are going to take the month. For y-axis we are going to take the month, and for x-axis we are going to take the value of volume. So now here you can see that our dashboard is almost done. So then go to format your visuals, go to grid lines of the grid lines, and then go to y-axis of the title of y-axis, then go to x-axis of the title of x-axis, then go to journal, then go to effects, and go to visual borders on it and make it to like 11. So now here you can see that our uh, cluster bar chart is rounded shape. Then if you want to add some addition in your you see the title, so select it, go to journal, then go to title. So we can name it as volume by month and drag it to center. So now you can see that our dashboard is you see ready. So again we do not want to see these grid line here, so click on it, go to format your visuals, go to grid lines and off it. Okay, done. So now we are done with our whole formatting. So now when you select any particular day, for example let's say Friday, so now you can see that whole thing is changing according to your selected values. So if you want to see the value of according to month, so now it is telling you the what is the total volume, what is the 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low in that particular month and that particular quarter. So again if you want to see the quarter wise things, so you can see that whole thing is changing accordingly. So if you are not you say that if you are not comfortable with these settings or these colors, you can simply go to the option of view and then you can select any theme according to your own choice, and it will change the whole dataset color according to your own choice. Now you can see that it is changing according to your own choice. So let's say if you want to add the Canva background, you can also change the Canva background from here. So and you can change anything from these options. So this is all for our today lecture. If you have any query and any question, you can ask me freely, and I am going to attach the dataset in the attach option as well, so that you can make this interactive dashboard by yourself.